Welcome. I'm glad you're joining me for this mindfulness being in nature activity. I'm Barbara Palan, a longtime volunteer, a board member of San Diego River Park Foundation. I've loved being in nature all my life, and I've been practicing different types of meditation for over 20 years. I've also completed some coursework at UCSD in mindfulness practices. Today, we will focus our awareness on the experience of just being in nature, simply by breathing. Know that there will be thoughts and sensations, and know that there is absolutely nothing to do. Simply be. So as we sit together in silence, let us try to be present to our breath, to what we hear, what we smell, what our body feels. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to be. Feel free to use your own being practice if you have one. Okay, I'm going to get us started now with a few prompts. Then I'll ring a bell. We will sit in silence for 3 minutes, and then I will ring the bell again. So, sit comfortably wherever you are, in a park or your garden or in your room or house. Look around. Notice where you are. Have your feet, both feet on the ground. Back straight if possible. And with your eyes open, begin with a few deep breaths. Breathing deep into the belly to help you relax and to bring you to the sensations of the present moment. Now, take another deep breath in. This time, notice the air entering your nose, slowly entering your chest, filling your belly, your whole body as you inhale. Now, exhale. Again, noticing the air leaving your body. So continue in this way to follow your breath in and out. Find a rhythm that feels comfortable to you. Now, if you're comfortable, close your eyes and continue to be present to your breath. It's also fine to half close your eyes or have your eyes open, whatever makes you feel safest and most comfortable. Taking those breaths, remembering your feet are touching the ground. Notice how your body feels as you feel the air going in and out. Notice how your body feels, what you hear, what you smell. Notice the activity of your mind, thoughts you may be having, opinions, judgments. All of it is there, and just experience whatever is present in every moment. And there is no need to change anything. There's no need to resist whatever is there. Just allow what is to be. Finding the rhythm of your breath. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Maybe your body needs to do a little adjustment. That's fine. Just stay with whatever comes up in your thoughts or your body, what you're hearing, smelling. Be with all of it, coming back to your breath. And as we come back to the outer world, take a few deep breaths. Slowly open your eyes if they were closed. Move your hands, your feet, maybe your arms and legs, your head. Now, I invite you to feel free to linger where you are as long as you like, and share your experience with someone, or express it in a way that is meaningful to you. Thank you so much for joining me in this mindfulness, connecting with nature in the stillness.